Boston is like a small town tucked inside a big city. It's got cute little streets, but it's huge skyscrapers too. I love living here, from the amazing history, the beautiful waterfront, and the great food. If you're only coming to Boston for a day, you have to visit Quincy Market. From all the amazing food to the gorgeous old buildings, you have to check it out. Don't wear heels though, because the cobblestones are brutal. You have the oldest public park in America right here. You can follow the Freedom Trail throughout Boston and see all the amazing historical landmarks, from the abolition movement to the American Revolution. Walking through the public gardens, you can see the influence the American Revolution had on this city. Beacon Hill is my home, and it's one of the most charming neighborhoods here in Boston. From the Acorn Street to the gorgeous, breathtaking Louisburg Square, you have to check out Beacon Hill. You should definitely check out the State House and take a tour. You have the gorgeous gold dome and the beautiful architecture. Fenway Park is one of the oldest ballparks in America. Go take in a game from the Green Monster. It's home to the World Series winning Red Sox, our home team.
Boston Harbor a teapot tonight!
Relive the Boston Tea Party at the Boston Tea Party Museum. Tour a replica of one of the British tea ships, and you can even pretend to throw some tea into the harbor. I love going to the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum and checking out the beautiful courtyard. You'll think you were transported to an exotic jungle when you're right in downtown Boston. The Museum of Fine Arts is a great place to visit in Boston. You have changing exhibits constantly, and you get to see some amazing works of art. Legal Harborside is one of my favorite places to go in the summer. They have award-winning clam chowder. Served with potatoes in a cream broth, it is my favorite thing to get here in New England. I was born and raised right here in Boston. I love this city, from its amazing history, winning sports teams, and the beautiful waterfront. You have to come and visit.